Time standby front bumper panel light. It contains a pair of standing sun chamber lights, dedicated wiring harness, fixing bracket, panel light cover. The panel lampshade is molded and installed according to the original date of the tank standby. The tank standby special wiring harness is directly plugged into the reserved interface of the original car. The switch of the light can be controlled by the original car central control switch. First, remove the panel from the front bumper. Install the attached auxiliary light bracket. The screws do not need to be too tight. Cut the left and right sides of the position where the lights are installed. Plug the auxiliary light into the waterproof quick release connector. Fix the base screw of the light body. Then cover the panel. Connect the special wiring harness to the original car plug. Turn on the original car control switch, and the auxiliary light on the front bumper panel is installed.